unboxing. Dun, da, 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 da. An AKEDO Battle Giant stuff. This was sent to our mom. It was from Insta. Yeah. We're going to show how to play. So, to open it. This. First, we're going to start off the one that's already in box. So, you put this on this and match it up so it clicks in. And see? It clicked in. And then press the button. And then you press this button. And it fights. And it fights. Double armor. Here you go. And then it has armor too. So you need to put and now to play is you just try to hit each other like this. And so it will split strike. And that's how you win. And then, if you put armor on, you need to get 2. First pop the armor off and then press the button. It's easy to pop the armor off. All you need to do is push the bottom part and it pops off. I'll go get that. Okay, there's this one. And then look, as the boxing, and then it has these steps. And so we open it. Okay, so we finally got it open. It took like ages. So let's open this. Oh, just before we open it, it came with this instruction manual. Hold up, I need to open this. It has like a million. The same thing? Okay, so these are all the characters you can get. We didn't get classic. We didn't get epic. We didn't get ultra rare. We got giants. We got an alpha, and then we got Drillboard. We got giants, I'm not sure. If you had one of these, I think giants are better than ultra rare. So let's open these. Oh, because some of these are glow in the dark, like this one, and then like earlier, like this one, and this one, and this one. Ooh, I just noticed something, guys. Glow in the dark. I just noticed something. When you press the button, the thing in the middle becomes green. See? Green. Let me put it on this guy. Green. Oh my goodness. Wait, no, let's try opening him if he has a sticker. Nope, he doesn't have a sticker. I think the giants don't have stickers. Yeah. Wait, is Nightblade here? I want to be Nightblade. And look, when you press the armor, off it goes. Oh, Nightblade is not here. In another world. Ooh, they have a collector case too. Oh, this is collector's guide. I don't know if Nightblades. Oh, trying to take the armor out. That's almost the hardest thing ever. Wait, why is this so hard? I might need to cut this. Ow. He finally got the armor out. Let's put it on him. And then this thing on the side, I think it's the amount of wins you get. So it starts at 0, the nearest to the button. See? There.
Okay, ready to fight, Samuel?
See 0. Do you see the 0? You probably can't. Starts at 0, and then the more you win, the more you go up. So each one, I think you go up a win, and then I think whoever gets to 10 first wins.
Okay, ready to fight, Samuel?
Okay.
Oh, by the way, thank you very much. Let's fight.
Hold on.
I'm the Alpha Wolf first.
I got a brilliant idea. We can fight on this, so they see.
Now, how about you sit here?
Okay. So I'm gonna put my armor. See?
I'm gonna put mine.
My armor. This is my character. This is my character, Alpha Wolf. Okay. Alpha Wolf, are you ready? Like this video if you like it so far.
And subscribe.
I won. Okay, let's try again. My armor popped out first. Okay, so whoever gets to like 10, I get 1 win.
Wait, where did your armor go?
Where did your armor go? So where did your, oh, okay.
Okay,
I get 1 win.
I want a rematch.
Look, 1 win. See, look, this is Alpha Wolf right now. I want a rematch. Is that okay? Yeah, you have to. Whoever gets to 10 wins first wins, I think.
Okay.
Round 2. 3, 2, 1. I knocked it out.
Okay, that doesn't count as a point.
Maybe. Okay, restart with in 3, 2, 1.
Are you
Outside. 1, round 2.
round 3?
Round 3. Come on, I need to win.
Look at him. Look at him go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
How do you? Is it because you have 2 weapons?
No, it's because maybe because of my 2 weapons, I hit it more accurately and more harder. Okay, round 2.
You mean round 4?
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting to put the wins.
Drill thing?
Okay. Okay, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Yeah!
Bye-bye. Ah.
Yeah. Oh.